Class 7, Chapter 1, Adding Angles, Part 2 video. Textbook Activities. To solve the problems, we know the point two angles form when a line is drawn from another line is called a linear pair. The sum of the angles on either side is 180 degree. In the first figure, one angle is 130 degree. Then the another angle is 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. Second figure, one angle is 100 degree. Then the another angle is 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. In the third figure, we can see a linear pair in bottom side. One angle is 40 degree. Therefore, the another angle is 180 minus 40 is equal to 140 degree. Then the fourth figure, the linear pair in right side. One angle is 50 degree. Another angle is 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degree. Then the last figure, one angle is 80 degree. The linear pair is in left side. Another angle is 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degree. Next, angle calculation. First one, how much is angle ACE in this figure? From this figure, we can write angle ECB is equal to angle ECD plus angle DCB. That is 50 plus 25 is equal to 75 degree. Angle ACE and angle ECB form a linear pair. Therefore, angle ACE plus angle ECB is equal to 180 degree. Angle ACE is equal to 180 minus angle ECB. 180 minus 75 is equal to 105 degree. Second one, how much is the angle between the two slanted lines in this figure? Here you can see two types of set squares. The angles on the left set square are 45, 45, 90. And the angles on the right set square are 60, 90 and 30 degree. First we mark the angles using letters A, B, C, D, E. From this figure we can write the sum of the angle on the left set square, the angle between the lines and the angle on the right set square is 180 degree. Using letters we can write it as angle ACB plus angle BCD plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle BCD is equal to 180 minus angle ACB plus angle DCE. That is 180 minus 45 plus 60. 180 minus 105 is equal to 75 degree. Angle between the two slanted lines is 75 degree. Last question. In the figure below, angle ACD equals angle BCE. How much is each? From this figure, we can write angle ACE plus angle ECD plus angle DCB equals 180 degree. Subtracting the common angle of 30 degree of these two angles, we can see that angle ACE equals angle BCD. So we can write angle ACE plus 30 plus angle DCB equals 180 degree. Angle ACE plus angle DCB equals 180 minus 30 equals 150 degree. Since these angles are equal, angle ACE is equal to 150 by 2, that is equal to 75 degree. And angle DCB is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, angle ACD equals angle ACE plus angle ECD, that is 75 plus 30 is equal to 105. Angle BC is equal to angle BCD plus angle DCE. 75 plus 30 is equal to 105 degree.